Explaining the mind map, Git stash, and when to use it. 1. What is Git stash? Git stash is a tool in Git that allows you to temporarily save uncommitted changes without committing them to the repository. It creates a clean slate by resetting the working directory to match the last commit. These saved changes are stored in a stash stack, which is a temporary storage structure. You can later retrieve or apply these stashed changes when you're ready to continue. When to use Git stash. Switching branches. If you're working on a branch and suddenly need to switch to another branch, e.g. for a bug fix, you can stash your current changes. This allows you to switch branches without committing unfinished work. Pulling updates. When pulling updates from a remote branch, uncommitted changes can cause conflicts. Stashing lets you save your work, pull updates, and then reapply your changes. Experimentation. You can test out ideas without committing anything. Once done, you can either discard the stashed changes or reapply them. Urgent fixes. If an urgent bug fix or code review comes up, you can stash your current progress, address the issue, and then resume your previous work. 3. Key commands. Stash changes. Git stash saves your changes and resets the working directory. View stashes. Git stash list shows all saved stashes. Apply stash. Git stash apply reapplies the most recent stash but keeps it in the stash stack. Pop stash. Git stash pop reapplies the stash and removes it from the stack. Drop stash. Git stash drop deletes a specific stash. Clear stashes. Git stash clear removes all stashes. Top 4. When not to use Git's near complete work. If your changes are almost complete, it's better to commit them instead of stashing. Large, critical updates. For big changes that might be hard to reapply, committing to a feature branch is safer than stashing. Summary. The mind map highlights that Git stash is a versatile tool for managing temporary changes. Whether switching branches, pulling updates, or experimenting, Git stash allows developers to work flexibly without losing progress. However, it's best avoided for near complete or large critical work.